Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay Verma and I am going to dictate you a legal passage of 500 words at the speed of 100 words per minute. So let's be ready. 3 seconds. Instilling knowledge of India and its varied social, cultural, and technological needs, its inimitable artistic language and knowledge traditions, and its strong ethics in India's young people is considered critical for purposes of national pride, self-confidence, self-knowledge, cooperation, and integration. Stop. The implementation of previous policies on education has focused largely on issues of access and equity. Stop. The unfinished agenda of the National Policy on Education 1986, modified in 1992, is appropriately dealt with in this policy. Stop. A major development since the last policy of 1986/1992 has been the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009, which laid down legal underpinnings for achieving universal elementary education. Stop. Principles of this policy. Stop passage. The purpose of the education system is to develop good human beings capable of rational thought and action, possessing compassion and empathy, courage and resilience. Scientific temper and National Education Policy 2025, creative imagination with sound ethical moorings and values. Stop. It aims at producing engaged, productive, and contributing citizens for building an equitable, inclusive, and plural society as envisaged by our Constitution. Stop. A good education institution is one in which every student feels welcomed and cared for, where a safe and stimulating learning environment exists, where a wide range of learning experiences are offered, and where good physical infrastructure and appropriate resources conducive to learning are available to all students. Stop passage. Attaining these qualities must be the goal of every educational institution. Stop. However, at the same time, there must also be seamless integration and coordination across institutions and across all stages of education. Stop. This national education policy envisions an education system rooted in Indian ethos that contributes directly to transforming India, that is Bharat, sustainably into an equitable and vibrant knowledge society by providing high quality education to all, and hereby making India a global knowledge superpower. Stop. The policy envisages that the curriculum and our institutions must develop among the students a deep sense of respect towards the fundamental duties and constitutional values bonding with one's country, and a conscious awareness of one's roles and responsibilities in a changing world. Stop passage. The vision of the policy is to instill among the learners a deep rooted pride in being Indian, not only in thought but also in spirit, intellect, and deeds, as well as to develop knowledge, skills, values, and dispositions that support responsible commitment to human rights, sustainable development, and living and global well being, thereby reflecting a truly global citizen. Stop. To prepare an initial cadre of high quality teachers in Anganwadis, current Anganwadi workers oblique teachers will be trained through a systematic effort in accordance with the curricular oblique pedagogical framework developed by NCERT. Stop. Anganwadi workers oblique teachers with qualifications of 10 plus 2 and above shall be given a 6-month certificate program in ECCE, and those with lower educational qualifications shall be given a 1-year diploma program covering early literacy, numeracy, and other relevant aspects of ECCE. Stop. These programs may be run through digital/distance mode using DTH channels as well as smartphones. Stop over.